Hi, if you've gotten this far, you've probably watched all the frequently asked questions stuff, which is good, but we're behind the scenes here at the firm because we want to give you the real inside scoop. These are the should ask questions. These are the questions that even our savviest clients don't know to ask. But we know as lawyers that focus our practice on trust and estates planning and do a lot of work for sophisticated families, the stuff that you don't know to ask, and that's what we're going to do right now. Hi, welcome back to the should ask questions, the real insider stuff, the stuff that very sophisticated families do, but that you might not even know to ask about. So again, a frequently asked question, how much does it cost? That's important, but the should ask question is also, what's it worth? What do I mean by that? Well, I'm always happy to invest in something that's going to give me a higher level of return. But I want to be relatively certain about that. So why would you invest more for an attorney that practices more exclusively in the area of trust and estates planning rather than a general practice lawyer? Well, one, are they going to make sure that the will or the trust is much more likely to survive a challenge? If they do that, that could save tens of thousands of dollars of attorney's fees and months of delay attributed to the litigation. Are they going to save you any federal estate taxes or Pennsylvania inheritance taxes? What are the effects of what they're doing on your income taxes? Are they making sure that the trusts are the right situs, that is, that they're being governed by the right state's law? What if you want asset or creditor protection and you live in a state like Pennsylvania, which is right next to a state like Delaware that offers radically different rules about those things? It could be that by making a choice of one type of trust over another, that you protect the entire value of those assets that could be lost. So you could be spending $5,000 for a trust that saves $1 million. A lot of people use revocable living trusts thinking, oh, I've just saved thousands of dollars of probate fees, and they think their assets are protected either from a nursing home or a lawsuit, but they're not at all. So if you get the right advice and instead use a combination of trusts, including an irrevocable trust, just the right kind, and you protect your assets, your great aunt's assets, your grandmother's assets, you protect somebody's assets so that they're not all spent down for a nursing home, that could be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars to $1 million. So is that worth $2,700 to pay? I don't know. That's an individual decision you have to make. But the shrewd client, the sophisticated client, is asking not only how much it costs, but how much is it worth? And specifically, what's the value that I get out of it for myself and my family members? That makes a big difference. I hope that helped. Thanks. If you liked that video, if you enjoyed it, if you found value in it, if it gave you information you didn't know about before, then you're going to want to see the other videos. We have some of the most frequently asked questions that clients ask lawyers on the topic of sophisticated estate planning and estate planning for families that have family-owned businesses and family-owned vacation homes. If you'd like a lot more, including the questions that you should be asking and maybe don't even know to ask, but that we as lawyers know you should be asking, then just sign up, click on the link below, and we're going to send you a ton more videos, frequently asked questions that you need to know the answers to succeed as a family in your sophisticated estate planning, and maybe more importantly, the should ask questions, the questions that you don't even know that you should be asking. Thanks again. Click on that link and enjoy.